This was the first time I saw it were. A silver 1990 Mercedes-Benz W124. Getting it out wasn't easy. Years of neglect had anchored it to the ground, as if the earth itself refused to let go.
This is where its second life would begin. Oh, not as a forgotten relic, but as a machine worth saving.
The first wash was more than just cleaning. It was the moment we began to uncover what was still alive beneath all those years of dirt. The inside told a different story. Every stain, every crack was a reminder of where it had been and how much care it still needed.
Under the hood, time had done its damage, but the heart was still there, waiting to breathe again.
This was the hardest part. Cutting away the damage meant trusting that what remained was strong enough to rebuild. Piece by piece, the heart came back together. Not rushed, not replaced, restored the way it was meant to be. This was the moment everything changed. With every layer of paint, the past slowly disappeared. Every detail mattered. This was no longer about fixing what was broken. It was about honoring what it once was. From mud and silence to motion and life, this Mercedes didn't just return to the road, it reclaimed its purpose.